Oh, my foundation is settling. It's going to cost me $1 million. Well, not quite. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So a question that was posed to us was, how much does foundation repair cost? Kind of weird way to saying it, but foundation repairs costs actually are dependent on each building or structure's individual scenarios. So it can be a small corner of a building, or it can be let's say half a house, or if it's a massive tilt up, it can be like, let's say, a whole wall, or a big L-shaped or 90-degree portion of the building. It just depends on the area that is affected that needs to be repaired, is dependent on the cost of fixing it. So the smaller the section, the cheaper the cost. The bigger the section, the more expensive it's going to be, unfortunately. So I hope that helps out. If you're still questioning exactly how much of your house or building is having issues, feel free to give us a call. We can come out, diagnose it for free, and take a look at it and give you guys exact numbers, how much of your building settled, and in what areas, and the actual square footage or the linear footage of your building that is going to be fixed and repaired. So that's how much foundation repair costs, and that's your foundation repair tip of the day.